Hi, I'm Dr. Lawrence. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here or have not subscribed to this channel, do like, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to receive updates of my health videos. Today we discuss about 5 easy ways to earn with a health blog. Health blogs are an interesting source of health information these days. Health blogs provide curious health freaks with a wealth of information about their health conditions while also trying to provide them with pre-digested and readily consumable and practical solutions to their nagging health problems. There is a plethora of health blogs out there, each providing information about their specific areas of expertise. These health blogs are run not only by regular people like you or me, but also by knowledgeable people in the healthcare industry like doctors, nurses, elite healthcare professionals, and biological scientists. A common question I keep getting asked is, why does a health blog prosper? The main reason a health blog prospers is that people are looking for easy to digest solutions to their health problems without having to navigate the nuances of medical jargon. People need knowledgeable professionals in the know about how the body works, how it responds to certain illnesses, and what we can do to prevent those illnesses. They need experts to break it down for them into something they can understand and relate to without being overwhelmed by medical jargon. The truth is, there are millions, if not billions, of health-related searches on the internet on a daily basis, and scores more of searches for solutions that solve regular health issues. If a particular health blog can provide authentic answers to the problems faced by people across the globe, it will prosper. The earn while you learn principle. Like blogging for every other industry, health blogging could be the real deal if you wish to earn while you learn. While most would suggest that you should invest not only your time, but invest some money to earn some money, it is possible to earn with minimal to no investment at all. While you can earn some money without investment at all with free blogging tools, it may be wise to invest in some useful tools to get your money churner up and running. The simple reason is that free tools get you in but will limit your possibilities of expansion and are not that flexible. Using free blogging tools are often tough to monetize with numerous restrictions. But remember, you can definitely earn while you learn in the health niche. If you are a budding health professional and struggling to pay off your college or university fees, you could easily blog on the side and earn a quick buck while attending to your academic requirements. Having learned about health during the professional studies, health professionals are more qualified to blog about health and health issues as they are quite familiar with how the body works and responds to various illnesses. The only issue with health professionals blogging is that they often assume that their audience, the common man, understands medical jargon. This often creates a gap between the health blogger and the audience. The earn while you learn principle only works if you are willing to understand the topic of discussion and then dumb it down for your target audience. Here are the 5 easy ways to earn with a health blog. People often ask me how I earn with a health blog. The answer to them is often, simply look at the money trail. Most health bloggers make money by focusing on their audience's need. So here are the top 5 ways to earn with a health blog. Tip number 1 is direct selling. Find an audience that is interested in your niche. Sell what you know resonates with that audience. Often enough, your audience will tell you what they need and are willing to buy. You just need to be alert and pick up the subtle cues in your interactions with your audience, through the comments on your blog or through queries in your contact form. Some examples of resources you can sell are subject-specific ebooks or workbooks fulfilling a particular need of your audience, an online course that teaches a particular skill, or simply custom-made physical goods specific to your niche. Tip number 2 is email marketing. It is often emphasized by seasoned marketers that the money is in the list. With email marketing, you can offer something of value as a free gift in exchange for your reader's email. This provides the fodder on which to gain the trust of your audience. And then, once the bait is set and you have a sizable email list, you can promote your own products or affiliate offers for commissions. There are hundreds of affiliate marketing platforms out there, but digital products provide easy access to affiliate resources, sell very well, and give you a pretty good affiliate commission. Some of the digital products on ClickBank pay even up to 100% commission to their affiliates. Besides, an email list is basically the best way to have a cult following and ultimately to sell your own products to an audience that knows and loves your work. Tip number 3 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means to offer bargains to your audience for a commission. While your audience may get the deal at a bargain or at the same selling price, you will get a commission for every sale that you drive through your affiliate links. You can promote not only products from well-known affiliate markets, but selling niche products to a particular audience can be highly rewarding as well. Most affiliate commissions start at about 3 to 4% of the total revenue generated, but may inch up to 100% in some cases, where the seller is seeking to increase the buyer list and then hard sell high-end products after gaining an interested audience. This can be pretty lucrative, both for the vendor as well as the affiliate marketer. Tip number 4 is advertisements. Ads are an integral part of publishing, whether it is hard copy or soft press. There are thousands of advertisers willing to pay top dollar to get their ads displayed to your audience. A blog with plenty of great content and a decent following will be eligible for ad placements. Besides Google AdSense, which pays you based on CPM or cost per milli, there are other advertisers who may be interested in placing banners or text ads on your website for a recurring fee. This can help to pay your recurring bills in the long run. But remember that this might not be feasible for blogs with a smaller audience. Highly specific niche blogs can profit from products or affiliate marketing better than display ads. Tip number 5 is sponsored posts. Although sponsored posts are a bit controversial, they can be a good source of income for niche bloggers with a small specific audience. The sponsors who might be interested are usually just looking for authority links to their websites from within the sponsored posts on your blog. You should remember that website authority in Google's eyes is determined by the number of authority links to your website. Higher the number of quality links to your sponsor's website, coupled with great quality content, will catapult their website up in Google's ranking algorithms. Sponsored posts can fetch you anywhere from $5 to $200, depending on the authority of your blog and your niche. So here's the final word on earning with your health blog. Setting up your health blog may be the easiest or the toughest part of your blogging journey, depending on how much you already know about blogging. While blogging on supposedly free blogging platforms can be tempting, investing in a self-hosted blogging platform is the way to go when it comes to serious blogging. Not only are the free platforms like blogger.com and wordpress.com very self-limiting, but it becomes harder to move elsewhere by the time you understand their limitations, and their paid options are way too expensive, especially in the long run. If you are just starting out building your health blog, it is highly recommended that you go the self-hosted way. You will definitely understand this recommendation if you are already a seasoned blogger. It is true that you can earn money through your health blog without spending a dime, but it will take a long while without spending on various resources. Investing on a good email marketing tool can be daunting, but it is what helps you earn the big bucks. Also, a good web hosting provider can be like a faithful wife or husband that provides you with the confidence to tackle the real business of health blogging without being worried about your website crashing. Finally, the only way to get your health blog up and running is by getting your feet wet, putting it out, and putting in the effort. Consistent and quality content production and proficient distribution will get you to your blogging goals soon enough. If you have questions about health blogging or blogging in general, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button and click the notification bell to receive every single update to this channel. For more fun content like this, visit www.medicalisland.net. And while you are at it, check out these other cool videos as well.